Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, please join me. So it is currently holiday today. So this is my first time again to visit Greenbelt, and we are going to check out different luxury stores. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. $61 kasi it's a piano. Pero cute siya.
You're into micro bags pa rin ba? Mini? Ganyan.
Medyo ngayon bumabalik kasi
Kasi yung mga party.
kasi parang guys, just look at this very cute bag charms from PRADA. So the prices ranges from 30 to 60k.
Na meron kami mga ganyan.
Yes, alam ko matagal na yung ganyan yung
Yes.
Diba?
Before naman, meron kami mga robot.
Yes. Here we have more bag charms, so the robot bag charms that PRADA is reissuing right now. So what do you think? I love the silver, of course. 155. Look at this bag, guys. This is so cute. I love the style of this one. This one, it's made, it's like a patent-ish sprinkled leather, all white. Super nice. Love it. Guys, they just opened the Chloe store today, so I was able to go in. Everyone is super nice, so you have to make sure once you visit, you check here. 195. 192. Like yung sa Burberry, ganyan.
Sakto kakawan niya, ready po ng Burberry.
150. This is the same color, no? Cute yung color. I like parang dove grayish. Tapos we have brown. Na-attract talaga ako sa mga 149,500. Cute. Bigger one. Cute nga yung color. Si Jack yung main contact ni Sir James eh. Ang cute. Gusto ko yung hardware. New design. 50. 29,500. Micro bag, 99.5. Next, we have the classic Bottega green. So this is 99,500. Nano size Jody bag. Guys, apologies. I'm not sure what happened when I was recording. Perhaps I have pressed a very slow motion video, but this is what the bag looks like. It's very cute. It's very teeny tiny. I could imagine myself carrying this one as a bag charm. What do you think? Kindly comment down below. For the price, 99,500, do you think it's worth it or not? Please leave a comment below. Thank you. Also, I'm not really sure what's the name of this Bottega bag, but it is kind of beautiful. I'm loving the shoulder bag style. Also loving the dark colorway. Of course, let us check out more bags from the store. So those are the Nano Jody bag. So we have this one in dark bottle green colorway. This one is also cute in this black or noir colorway with gold hardware. So here, loving the interior of the store. We have more Bottega bags. So we have, of course, the viral Andiano or Andiamo tote. Forgive me for the mispronunciation. I'm not sure, guys, what's the name of this Givenchy, but it's like a re-edition of the Antigona bag. So we have white, we have caramel, we have patent, like pink, and we have this very beautiful gray leather over here. Let us check out the holiday display here at Gucci. So here we have some ready-to-wear. Hope you can hear me, guys. So here they have like the sweater, the jumper on. So they have, sorry for the reflection, so they have the classic Gucci canvas over here. We have this bag, so let us zoom in. Over there. Ooh, super nice. That is the window display, guys. Loving this one. Ooh. Just look at the ballerinas. I'm not really sure. Maybe these are just the horse bit bag, but they are so beautiful. I love the style. So it is a top handle style, and I feel that of course it would come with a crossbody chain or crossbody strap. Again, don't quote me on that one. So these are the first time that I'm seeing these styles. This one, guys, this is so cute. This is so cute. Right beside it is the Sunnies. I love this one. It kind of reminds me of a Celine bag. I'm not really sure why, but it's like the Celine Triomphe bag. And on top, that's the bag. Here we have some footwear, and we have some SOG, so classic Gucci. I love the leather one. The leather one in this burgundy colorway. Footwear, then the bag, and this is the Gucci holiday display. Super cute. So we have more bags. So I believe these are the newer collection of the new creative director from Gucci. Loving these shoes over here. It's patent leather with the horse bit detail. We have some SOGs, and of course we have this bag, like a messenger bag style. And the strap is non-detachable, but it is adjustable. Let's go back to these flats, guys, or ballerinas. This is so cute. It's so on trend, right? What do you think? Comment down below. No, 135. Cute kasi nung shape niya. 159. We have here the Balenciaga Leca Gold bag. Price is 137,500. So what drew me to this bag, this is very different from the city bag in terms of shape because it looks like a Nano Speedy. It comes in this metallic silver leather. You know me, guys, I do love my metallic. This is the bigger size, 149,500. So that one earlier is Nano Speedy. This one is the same size as a Speedy 20. So here is a look comparing to my height of 5 feet and 6 inches. What do you think? This is 209. This is, guys, I've seen it inside and it's really beautiful. This is the white one. So they just have opened the Versace store here at Greenbelt. So if you're within the area, you may want to check this store out. Some of the ready-to-wear pieces are currently on sale. So here are the bags. So let's take a closer look. Here we are at Greenbelt, so it's holiday, so naturally, so how beautiful and romantic these Christmas lights are. Let us check out the holiday display here at Hermes. Here is their window display. They have no bags in display. So they have this tote bag. So this is the garden party that is printed. And then of course they have silk scarves. And then they have this trading cards over here. Here at Greenbelt 3. So later we are going to check more stores. Where's Tiffany? Okay. So we are going to go to Louis Vuitton later. Let's check out Louisville. Here. Later we are going to check out the window display at LV. Here we have Fendi. Here we have very beautiful bags, of course, from BLVGARI, very special. So we have a crystal edition. And then we have exotic piece. So we have a croc finish. And then we have a snake skin or lizard. I could be wrong, but how gorgeous, of course. If I would be choosing one from this very beautiful bag, I will be choosing the crystal bag. This one. Super, super gorgeous. Guys, I have surprise for everyone. If you haven't been here yet, we have a Tiffany & Co. Christmas tree. So beautiful. Just look at this one. So let us take a closer look. So here, Tiffany. It has different constellations. As you can see, how beautiful. Happy holidays, everyone. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did, guys. Apologies for the lighting. So anyways, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!